Have you ever wondered if the way you cook your food could affect your health? Today, we're diving into some ancient wisdom and modern science to uncover the right way to prepare your meals for maximum health benefits. When you cook food, it's essential to let it bask in sunlight and feel the touch of fresh air. Without these, your meal might turn into slow poison. Surprising, right? Cooking in a space filled with fresh air allows your food to absorb oxygen, turning it into a powerhouse of nutrients that your body will thank you for. Here's a fact many people don't know. Food cooked in a pressure cooker isn't really cooked, it's broken down under intense pressure. Research shows that pressure cooking preserves only 3% of the micronutrients. Additionally, most pressure cookers are made of aluminum, one of the most harmful metals for cooking. Prolonged use of aluminum cookware has been linked to serious diseases like diabetes, arthritis, asthma, and even kidney failure. Shocking, right? Aluminum doesn't just leave your body, it accumulates over time. This leads to a weakened immune system and severe illnesses like tuberculosis, asthma, and even cancer. Did you know that aluminum was originally introduced in India only about 100 years ago? It's excellent for making aircraft and missiles, but for cooking? Absolutely not. Think twice before eating anything stored in the refrigerator. Refrigeration strips food of sunlight and fresh air while exposing it to harmful gases like chlorofluorocarbon CFCs. These gases are toxic, scientifically proven to be detrimental to both the environment and your health. Consuming such food is like consuming slow poison. Refrigerators were designed for colder regions, not for everyday use in warmer climates. And what about microwaves? Here's another truth bomb: microwaves heat food unevenly, damaging the molecular structure. They were designed for quick use in colder countries, not for regular use in our homes. Reducing your dependence on microwaves and refrigerators can even help fight global warming. Now, let's talk about salt. Did you know that iodized salt is banned in many countries? It's been linked to infertility and other health complications. Instead, switch to rock salt or black salt. They're rich in 94 essential micronutrients that boost your health. Unlike iodized salt, they don't harm your body and are perfect for cooking and even therapeutic baths. To summarize, here's how you can make your kitchen healthier. Cook with natural sunlight and fresh air. Avoid aluminum cookware and pressure cookers. Limit the use of refrigerators and microwaves. Switch to rock salt or black salt for a healthier body and mind. Your health is in your hands, quite literally, in your kitchen. Thank you for joining me today. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into healthy living. Let's create a future where we eat better, live better, and thrive together.